Hello and a very warm welcome to everyone. Okay, it has been a great news that is coming up from the state government regarding your algebra portion for the 10th standard. And the news is that I have from the algebra, okay, two chapters, okay, like your chapter number 4 and chapter number 6 from the algebra has been deleted. Totally, completely, they has been deleted. Okay, chapter number 4 and chapter number 6, which you can see on the screen right now, okay, has been completely deleted from your syllabus. You won't be facing these two chapters. Okay, these two chapters, financial planning and statistic, these two chapters are completely deleted from your syllabus. Last time also, okay, 25% syllabus was reduced. Again, there will, to just ease up for the students, chapter number 4 and chapter number 6 has been deleted from your syllabus. Okay, so a great news coming up for everyone. Now we are going to see what about the other chapters that has been included in your syllabus and what has been reduced from that. Okay, coming back to the first chapter. Okay, directly come this one. Okay, now you can see over here example number 1, this has been deleted from your syllabus. Next, coming back to the next page, example number 2, this has also been deleted. Okay, whatever there is a cross, exercise 1.1 completely deleted. From the exercise 1.1, okay, that is on your page number 5, question number 2, example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is deleted, but 7 and 8 are still there in your syllabus. After that, coming back to the next page, page number 16, this activity, complete the following table, completely deleted. Okay, solved example on page number 17, completely deleted. Okay, example number 1, 18 completely deleted. Okay, page number exercise 1.4 and above that on page number 19 has been completely deleted. Coming back to next one, that is your problem set 1. From the problem set 1, question number 1 is deleted. Sorry, question number 1 is there for your exam. Question number 2 is also there. Question number 3 is there. 4 is there for your exam. 5 is there, but question number 6 is not there. Okay, question number 6 has been completely erased from your syllabus. Question number 7 is there. Okay, this is from the problem set 1. Coming back to the second chapter, from the second chapter, this one, page number 37, completing square method. Okay, completely deleted from on page number 37. Coming back to 38, solve example first one, completely deleted. Next one, exercise 2.3 from your chapter number 2, it's completely deleted. Next, coming back to the next part. Okay, on page number 42 you can see a graph activity which is completely deleted from your syllabus. Activity this one, okay, is completely deleted. Next one, page number 46, relation between quadratic equation topic, completely deleted. You can skip that one. Example number 2, completely deleted. Okay, on page number 47. Example number 3 on page number 47 is completely deleted. You can remove that. Now exercise 2.5, question number 1 and question number 2 is there in your syllabus, but yes, question number 3 has been removed from your syllabus. Okay, just you can cross that one. After that, question number 5 and question number 6 from exercise 2.5 is completely deleted. You can skip that one, you can remove that one. Students, whatever there is a cross, okay, it has been removed from your syllabus. Okay, so if you can see a cross in the chapter, it is seems like it has been removed. Problem set 2, question number 6 is removed from your syllabus. Question number 10 from the problem set 2, it has been removed from your syllabus. Coming back to the chapter number 3, that is your arithmetic progression. Let's see what are the things that has been removed. Okay, So I don't think there is something been removed from the chapter number 3. Chapter number 3 is as it is. Okay, you don't have to remove anything from that. Okay, so there is no deduction from chapter number 3. Okay, chapter number 3 will be as it is. There is no deduction. Now this chapter I was talking about, now this chapter is completely being removed. Okay, full chapter is removed. Okay, I tell you students, full chapter is removed. Chapter number 4, financial planning, completely removed from your syllabus. Okay, not the exercise, not the activity, it is a full chapter that has been removed from your syllabus. Mark it down please. Okay, coming back to chapter number 5. Okay, cut everything from chapter number 4. The full chapter is removed. पूरा chapter निकाला हुआ है. Coming back to the chapter number 5, let's see what are the things that has been removed from your syllabus. Okay, the whole chapter is removed, the whole chapter. Okay, chapter number 4 completely removed from your syllabus. I am repeating again. Okay, please don't get confused. Chapter number 4 completely removed from your syllabus. I am repeating again and again. Okay, it's a huge blow to everyone, huge success. Okay, so it is completely removed. Probability. Okay, probability, the full chapter is there for your syllabus. There is nothing removed from your chapter. Okay, probability you have to do as it is. जितना भी probability में exercise है, activities है, everything you have to study. Okay, so this is a full chapter that you have to study. Okay, full chapter. There is no reduction. Okay, there is no reduction in the syllabus. Okay, you have to study the full chapter. Now coming back to the next chapter, that is chapter number 6. Okay, now chapter number 6, okay, as I said, it has been completely removed from your syllabus. Okay, your chapter number 6 is statistic. Now statistic chapter is completely removed. Okay, the full chapter is completely removed from your syllabus. Clear? So you can cancel the statistic chapter. There is no exams, there is no example, there is no exercise coming from this chapter statistic. Understood? Clear? So these are the things that has been changed in your 2021 syllabus for the 10th standard board. Two chapters, chapter number 4 and chapter number 6 has been removed from your syllabus completely. Financial planning and statistic. Other details, okay, are is given in the video. Also I am uploading the PDF file. Okay, so that we can check it out, what are things that has been excluded from your syllabus. Okay, thank you guys for your video and keep supporting me.